Yo, what's up guys? I'm doing pretty dope. आज वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं about this video thingy of Payal gaming. I don't know. Anything that associates gaming after it is very, I would say, I don't know, childish according to me. But that's not the topic, right? We will talk about some things of our beautiful country, India, right? It's very weird though. But I think I had to talk about it because it actually comes in the sphere of social awareness. So I would like to give you some knowledge because I'm sure one day you're gonna become dad, you're gonna become father, you have sister, you're gonna have a daughter, whatever it is. I think there is some knowledge I should give to men because I feel like it. Right? You're all responsible for it in some sense. Okay. Now what usually happens? Firstly, if you have a girlfriend and if you plan to record an intimate video, and let's say something that you two are sharing an intimate experience together and you plan to make a video on it, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप उस वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड करते हो, फिर आप अपने दोस्तों को आगे दिखाते हो उसको. You show it to your friends to look what cool, right? देख भाई मैं तो उसके साथ था. देख भाई how beautiful she, look at her tits dog, look at her ass, how beautiful she is. You can never pull her. Why? Because men crave status. Whatever gives them status, they keep proofs of it. Right. That's the thing. And you know what? Doing all of that is absolutely horse shit, to be very honest. You know why? Firstly, if you're a girl or a woman watching this video, I'll be very honest with you because I know man, अगर तुम लड़के ये सब देख रहे हो और तुम सोच रहे हो कि मैं तो लड़कियों के फेवर में बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं, तुम लोग नहीं चाहोगे तुम्हारी बहन के साथ ऐसा कुछ हो. ऑल्सो तुम नहीं चाहोगे कि तुम्हारी बहन उस सिचुएशन में एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस हो, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई इफ you want to tell that to your sister, you want to tell that to your daughter, whatever it is, just listen it from me and let me tell you the same thing I'm going to tell to people you care about, right? Females who are blood connected to you, if for that sake, if that's your only matlab in this world, right? You do care about your family, right? At least, right? That's the thing. Pehli cheez, never in your life, I'm saying never in your life, as a man, you take the accountability to, as a man, try to record a woman's video while being intimate or whatever it is. I don't care if the video is fake, viral, whatever it is. I care about the message and that's what I'm going to give and pop off. That's all. Okay. Never in your life try to record or try to make an intimate video of a woman because you never know what happens next. Let's say you two break up. What are you going to do? Keep it in your phone. Show it to your friends. Is that what she did that for? Because one thing you have to understand is that societally, when all of these things happens, a woman's respect is bluntly down. These these viral videos where the woman practically has nothing, practically has done nothing wrong. I mean, she wanted to have sex with someone, it's fine. Okay, she had sex with someone. Perfect. She wanted it was consensual. Can't say anything about it, right? Secondly, the man making the video. I don't know what was it, but if you're a woman, please, I'm not talking about your choices. You wanna do whatever you want to, you can proceed, please. But if you have some basic knowledge, never in your life let a man record you. You know why? Because that could be the biggest thing he could use against you. कल को शादी हुई, कल को और सारी चीज़ें होंगी ना, तो आपका पति नहीं चाहेगा वो वाली वीडियोस देखना जो कि समाज में चारों तरफ फैली हुई है, right? So that's the thing. So next time if you land on a bed with a man, make sure you are aware about this fact कि okay, he can actually take your respect and put it in drain out of single seconds. Okay. I think you would take it about it. The second thing I would say is ki, if you're a man, please never in your life try to record a woman because that would make you cool. The fact that you are able to sleep with her, you have emotions, you have something, whatever the thing is, respect that and try to live the moment. Okay. Try to live the validation and attention she's giving, try to give attention to her. Why do you have to take attention from people that the video you are saving for, that the photo you are taking for? कि मैं तो अपने उस दोस्त को दिखाऊं, किसकी ईगो वैलिडेट कर रहे हो तुम? तुम्हारी खुद की नहीं है. If you have to seek validation and attention from other men, I think that's pretty much gay. Why would you do that? Learn how to validate yourself. Don't have to do all of these things in order to impress people. ठीक है, तो आपको ये चीज़ समझनी पड़ेगी कि पूरी दुनिया में अगर आप किसी को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए गिरी हुई नीच हरकतें कर रहे हो तो आई स्वेयर टू गॉड यू वुड हैव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ इट इवेंचुअली. समझ रहे हो? तो मेरा ना इस वीडियो को बनाने का ना कोई मोटिव नहीं था कि मैं कुछ ऐसे वो बताऊंगा कि इज इट फेक, इज इट रियल. मैं बस कुछ बातें बताना चाहता था कि क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज होते हैं इन सब चीज़ों के, एंड हाउ अ मैन एंड अ वुमन शुड एक्ट ऑन बेड. एक आदमी क्या बाउंड्रीज होनी चाहिए. नेवर पिक अप योर फोन, नेवर रिकॉर्ड एनीथिंग. You know, that's an intimate thing, man. That should stay between just you and her. That's the whole point of it. That's the thing that's going to make it more beautiful. You're not supposed to record it. Porn has ruined mind of I don't know how many people in this world, right? And आदमी में स्पेशली क्या होता है ना, आदमी में स्पेशली भाई बहुत होते हैं भाई, ये कॉलेज टाइम में ये होता है ना कि हाँ भाई देख मैं तो इस बंदी के साथ था, देख कैसी लग रही है, देख कैसी लग रही है. उनको ना अपना वो थोड़ा सा वो होता है ना, ईगो थोड़ा सा सेटिस्फाई करना रहता है कि मैं अपने और दोस्तों को दिखाऊंगा तो शायद मेरे को ठीक फील होगा अपने बारे में कि देखो आई कैन एटलीस्ट टॉक टू वुमेन. इज दैट द ओनली tag of achievement you want to have in your life, that okay, I had sex with her, then what, now what made you special? A lot of men have sex, even the poor people have sex, the middle class people have sex, the rich people have sex. What's so beautiful about sex? Nothing. So why is it so magnified in your eyes that you have to click a picture of a woman you're sleeping with and you have to show it to people that care about you, that you think you care about, that you want attention from? It's a dumb thing to do. Grow up. I think you should. And I might sound pissed because I really am, because you don't know the consequences. यार अब देखो, मैंने यहाँ पे दोनों जेंडर्स पता है क्यों उठाए हैं. दोनों की गलती होती है इसमें. बनाने वाले की गलती होती है और बनवाने वाली की गलती होती है. ठीक है, पर क्या होता है ना, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, जो यार वो पिछली वीडियो जो आई थी जिसमें आई थिंक देयर वाज अ गर्ल जो हाथ जोड़ के ऐसे कह रही थी कि प्लीज ऐसे मत करो, एंड वो एक आई वुड से दूसरा सा लड़का था, एक गोरी सी लड़की थी, ऑल ऑफ दैट, उनकी भी एक वो वायरल हुई थी. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंड विद दिस वुमन? इसकी जिंदगी खराब हो चुकी है फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द इटर्निटी. With him, I don't know what happened with him because it usually suppresses down over time if it's a man, right? तो अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लड़कियों को लगता है कि जो बड़े बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं, बाप दादा होते हैं, जो यूँ कहते हैं कि बेटा थोड़ा सा अपना कैरेक्टर देखो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ये क्यों कहते हैं? वो इसलिए नहीं कहते कि वो आपको पसंद नहीं करते, वो इसलिए कहते हैं कि उनको पता है कुत्ती दुनिया कैसी है. दैट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड इट. ठीक है, तो अगर कोई 80-70 साल का बुढ़ा आपको कंसर्न के साथ कह रहा है कि बेटा उन जगह पे इस टाइम मत जाओ, वहाँ पे अच्छे लोग नहीं होते, he gives two fucks about you. Your next guy that you meet in club with, getting drinks and all of that, who's just gonna smash you and go straight to his home once he's done smashing you, don't care about you. Maybe your grandfather that you think is very orthodox, very purana, very, I would say, out of class, no fun to hang out with, whatever it is, that you hate absolutely, cares about you. He cares about you. The six-pack abbed motherfucker you met in club after getting drunk and you had sex with doesn't care about you. He would never. So please, I wish I was able to get my point to all of the people, whether it's men and women. And I think that's all too I see in my life as well, from my eyes as well, if that makes me whatever I proudly am. But that was the message, guys. That was the message. Ki, please take care of all of this, right? And problem क्या है ना कि इन लीक्स वीडियोस है ना, कोई ना स्टॉपेज मोमेंट नहीं आता, सारे पागल हो जाते हैं ऐसे कि ओ भाई क्या है 20 सेकंड. यार एक ऑनेस्टली एक बात बताऊं, मसाला ढूंढने के लिए इस पूरे देश में इतने लोग हैं, इतने तुमने सोचे भी नहीं होंगे. अगर इस देश में लेट्स से एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ लोग हैं ना, तो उनमें से आप यूं लगा लो ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही सारे मसाला और टी के लिए घूमते रहते हैं कि कहीं से कुछ मिल जाए, कहीं से कुछ मिल जाए. ठीक है, so that's the thing, भाई, कि please you have your dignity and self-respect in your hands, and if that video is fake, if that video is real, I don't know. If it's fake, तब तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. just sounds like a उड़ता तीर to her. क्या ही कर सकते हैं उस चीज़ में. But if it's real, I've explained what you don't have to do. अगर कुछ है ऐसा भी तो can't do anything about it. Gotta eventually accept it and make better decisions next time, right? Although I'm not sure if it's real or fake. I haven't watched the video because I just wanted to talk about the societal message I wanted to give. That social awareness on some things. I don't want a man to be used by a woman, and I don't want a woman to be used by a man. I want them to hold their hands together and be there for each other. Not to just get clout and blah, 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 blah. There are better things to do. Make pair, grow up, make families. That's a beautiful thing. Apart from that, everything is boring. Okay. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace. Dhyan rakho. Take care.